Going on a birthday trip. My aunt is flying from Canada. We're flying from Arkansas. And I found a flight with the same stopover. They are catching up. Las Vegas! The Bellagio is going to be our home for a few days. Happy birthday, Mama!
Oh, thank you. Where is it from?
My mom flexing her birthday gift from the Bellagio. She got a rose and chocolates and a $150 voucher for food. Let's go find our room. Oh, there's our bed. And look at this view. The fountain show!
I know.
Look!
Look at that.
Look! Oh, we should turn off the lights so we can see the fountain.
Yeah.
Wow!
Wow, beautiful view. Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
This is nice. So look at the shower. It's infused with vitamin C. Nice view. Oh, oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
Ivan's birthday present for my mom.
thank you, Ivan, my beloved nephew. Oh. Wow. Let me see. Oh.
That's so cute.
Wow.
Wow.
Good taste, huh?
That's pretty. Heading to a castle. Princesses or queens going to the castle. We're about to watch the tournament of kings. There is the arena.
Plate, okay?
Okay. We have chicken and potatoes, corn. Here's potatoes. And we got dessert, which is apple pie.
But I'll bring my son, Prince Christopher. Huzzah! Shout it out. Is it good? Is it bad?
What's your review of the show?
Oh, wonderful.
Review of the show? Review? 10.
I just feel like one of those ones where you know.
Not supposed to be where he is. Yeah. Because literally it's only leaves. Yeah.
Good morning, Las Vegas. For breakfast, we have loaded nachos, pizza, bacon, fried rice, and eggs Benedict. And a fruit platter is coming up.
Ding.
Tita Mabet. Having breakfast with a beautiful view. There's a conservatory in our hotel, and it's a lot of different structures that's just made out of flowers. And look, there's fish there. My mom went on a shopping spree. Shopping. Now we're going to see Vegas' newest attraction, which is the Sphere. Racetrack. Oh, okay. Let's go fast. I'm just kidding. Don't do it. Oh, no. I'm kidding. Don't do it. Racetrack. That's huge. Entering the spaceship Sphere. Oh, it's made out of fans. Yeah, if you zoom in, it's a fan.
Electric keyboard. Once a song begins to play, walk, dance, or wiggle.
Whoa, she's alive again.
My name is Christine.
Hello, Christine.
And this is Cyrene.
Hello.
Hello, Cyrene.
This is Maribeth.
Hello, Maribel.
Hi.
Where
Maribel.
are you all from?
Arkansas and Canada.
I'm from Canada.
I'm from Arkansas.
And how do you know each other with such a great distance in between your locations?
My daughter and my sister. My
I
daughter.
see. Utilizing technology, you have remained close.
Oh, wow.
Even though you are not necessarily close in proximity.
Oh.
Cheese.
Oh, grilled cheese.
Oh, you might like believe
Oh. It is so steep. Look at this. One wrong move and then you just tumble down. And then, what if we got seats up there? I chose a middle seat because I think that's the best view.
Symphony frozen in time.
Yeah, it's like 3D. How was that? That was super cool. And then the seat vibrated. And it was like, I think there was wind or maybe not, but the seat vibrated. That was cool. And things look 3D. Bangka. Wow, look at that. It's pretty. Chinatown.
What do you guys want to eat? There's
Yeah.
a Thai restaurant.
Oh, there's Chinatown Mall Outlet. Open 7 days a week. Cool.
10 p.m.
Yeah, 10 p.m. Ano niyo, Jane? Is it spicy?
Just barely.
Okay. Oh, sweet and spicy. Ice cream?
May menu pa? The menu is more spicy than that. Gusto nila kayo sabihin mo na?
Yeah. Oh, that's where you put your cell phone. That's yan pala. Oh, that's weird. That's yours or mine?
This one's mine.
Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, I thought it comes in a little bowl, but look at all this food. Oh, I think we we over ordered.
Big. Whoa, what's this? This egg is so yellow. It's yellow, not orange.
You can watch the Grand Prix for free through the window. Look at that. These are the grandstands. The opening ceremony is supposed to be today. And we'll see if we can take a sneak peek. If we make it back to the hotel.
dog na.
I want to see. How they do it?
So give it a try, and if you like certain things, just come next and I'll get you some.
Okay, thank you. There's potato, and then there's hot dog and cheese in there. After eating the Korean hot dog, we have Filipino barbecue.
International. Yeah. Tapos may halo-halo.
Chowking halo-halo versus Magnolia ice cream versus not halo-halo.
Dessert.
Wow, what is it?
Taho.
Which is what? Tofu?
Tofu and brown sugar mix.
Something.
Syrup. Wanna see? Oh, with
Wow. Halo-halo. Treat of my tita Mabit.
Oh.
We have different ones. I got the special one because it has leche plan. Stealing other people's food. Enchanted Garden. Yeah, picture. Let's look around. It's like a circus. Hi. Customizing her purse. Look at this.
Mix and match. It's really fun.
Okay, and then whose purse is that? TJQ.
Wow.
That's cute. That took like 50 hours for you to design that. Tita Mabit's purse is also personalized.
And then your mom?
Yeah.
An expensive one.
Yeah, personalized. It says Christine.
And yours?
Mine.
And yours?
CQ. Yeah, no. Padako. As big as your face.
My burger.
Wow. Whoa, it's raining in Vegas. Never rains. Oh, shoot. Sige. And that's a wrap. Goodbye, Bellagio Fountains. The big finale.
Oh, maybe not.
Nope, they just love wiggle. Just wiggle.